So my name is Henrik Chulu. I'm an independent writer slash journalist, and I've always been super interested in how society and technology sort of intertwines, and it's always hard to sort of separate what is the tech and what is the social bonds. And when new technologies arrive, such as machine learning algorithms, they tend to reinforce or perpetuate or just at least reproduce social relations that are in society on beforehand, such as racism or sexism or classism. And there are certain areas where you see that a lot, like when it comes to the criminal justice system, when it comes to policing, you see systems that take a racist practice and then codes it into an algorithm. Not because the people that are programming the algorithm necessarily are racist, but because the data that they use come from a racist practice, such as policing, especially in the US. And there's like a lot of documentation of this from both researchers as well as investigative journalists. And this is something that I'm super interested in, how basically you can't really separate the tech from society. And another example is how the job market kind of skews gender-wise, both in real pay, but also in the kind of jobs that are offered to different people. There are studies that show that women would get offered less well-paying jobs than men if they just get the standard job ads on a Google search, for example. And then finally, again, with policing, you see that you have this thing where the systems that we build to help police with algorithms is always focused on street crime. It's not focused on financial crime, and street crime is usually perpetrated by impoverished people, where financial crime is committed by rich people. And again, because the algorithm is focused on street crime, it basically criminalizes poverty rather than, crime in general. So those are some of the things that I find really, really interesting.